that's called the science of iridology, and that can detect the level of toxicity you're suffering from that's causing the psoriasis. What diseases are associated with psoriasis? First of all, let me explain to you what psoriasis actually means. Psoriasis is made up of two words, the psora and the isis. Now, like sinusitis, the sinus, when you've got inflammation there, that can give you sinusitis. In other words, inflammation of the sinus. So when you've got psoriasis, that means you've got an inflammation of the skin. That's what psora means. So psoriasis is caused by that, an inflammation to the skin. Now, there are 4 different types. The most common one is the one where your skin becomes very dry and it opens up and it cracks and it bleeds. That's the most dangerous one. And it can last for years. This particular case we did, the lady had been taking red beef for 45 odd years, from the age of 15 to 60, and she was riddled with psoriasis from the top of her head, which was bleeding, all the way down the throat here, all of this, all the chest, the back, right through to the bottom of her feet. She was bleeding like crazy, right? So in the channel, you can actually request this book. It's called The Benefits of Having the Ultimate 8 Weeks or Less of Getting Relief of Psoriasis. And that's the photo of her an arm, and that's the photo 8 months later. Now, remember she'd been sick for 45 odd years, right? So it took a long time, but it took 4 months, because the disease was so advanced, it took 4 months to heal half the body, and then the other 4 months to totally heal the body to the skin, where the skin was absolutely brilliant, right? So that is a very common disease these days, because there's so many people eating red beef and pork and eating all kinds of hamburgers and drinking fizzy drinks and so on. And that combination of these foods that are really toxic can give you a very severe types of psoriasis. Remember, there's 4 types. What I would advise you, if you've got any form of psoriasis, contact us, right? Go to our channel, contact us, give us a phone call. We'll give you a 15-minute consultation where we can discuss how we can help your psoriasis. And for the first time in your life with psoriasis, you'll get the right treatment, the right advice, because we'll photograph your eyes. We'll pick up very clearly using this how much toxicity you've got in the bowel here and here. But we take the photographs, we then explain it using this on your eyes, and that's called the science of iridology, and that can detect the level of toxicity you're suffering from that's causing the psoriasis. Remember, don't go to a doctor that doesn't know nutrition. You'll just be given tablets or creams or potion, and you'll get worse. Come and see us. We'll show you how to detoxify 100%. We've got all the proper supplements to do that, and we use a company that's got 5 stars and it's got platinum plus level. That's the ones we use for ourselves, and we've helped hundreds and hundreds of patients in 28 countries to heal from not just psoriasis but many other common diseases.